warm and big and warm welcome to all of you joining us live. And of course, a special welcome to our esteemed guest speaker, Aman Khurana. And Aman is here to share his profound insights on like how you can elevate every aspect of your life and business. So whether you are seeking more balance, success, or fulfillment, then this session is going to be power packed for you, right? So be here till the end, right? I just want to tell you something about Aman, that he's been, uh, he's the driving force behind transformative journeys, behind his unique expertise as a life coach, business consultant, author, and world record holder. Amazing. With 7 years of dedicated to refining the art of life coaching and 5 years as a strategic business consultant, he has empowered countless of individuals, you know, to come up like or overcome the procrastination and embrace purposeful massive actions. So with this, I welcome Aman on the screen. And Aman, I just want to ask uh, the topic, like three secrets of life mastery or self mastery. So what exactly does it mean?
Hmm. Okay. Uh, First of all, thank you for the introduction, Prashant. It is amazing to be on this show. And about the three secrets, so basically, we have so many elements to life mastery in itself. Like life mastery is such a big topic in itself. So when people hear it for the first time, they're like, life mastery. Oh, that sounds interesting. What is it about? And I tell them, there are three elements to it. You first master yourself, which is self mastery, and the topic of today, and then you master your surroundings, and then you end up creating a legacy, which is impacting on a global level, or on a national level, on a social level, or whatever kind of level that you want to impact the world on. That is the third level. And coming to self mastery and the three secrets of self mastery. With self mastery, the first thing that comes is self awareness. Okay, that's the first thing, that is the first ingredient in this book, because once you have a level of self awareness, only then you can work on other levels of mastering yourself, or other areas of your life. If you're lacking self awareness, that is where you draw the line, and then you're just running into poles and just confusing yourself. Aap iska sun rahe ho, uska sun rahe ho. You're hearing from every different corner, every different nook and cranny. Every coach is trying to sell you something, and you get, okay, ye acha hai, ye acha hai, lekin aapko pata nahi ki aap kaun ho. And since you don't know who you are falling for everything. So the first secret is self awareness. And then you have the secret of productivity. Something we all want कि अच्छा productivity हो, productivity हो, productivity हो, लेकिन हम उस productivity को लाए कैसे, हमारे why क्या हैं, what are the reasons that we want to be productive. We don't ask ourselves these questions. And that is where the second secret, which is productivity. And then the third secret is time management. And time management is something all of us struggle with. Like even me as a life coach, I've been training and doing this for so many ages now. Like it's been almost a decade. And sometimes even I struggle with time management, and I'm not afraid to say that. But the thing is, we are not managing time, we are managing ourselves. We say time management, but it is self management. क्योंकि वही 24 घंटे प्रशांत के पास भी हैं, the same 24 hours Aman have, the same 24 hours our mentor has, and the same 24 hours the prime minister has, the same 24 hours an astronaut or a doctor or whoever it is. Everyone have those same 24 hours. It's what we do with those 24 hours. It's how we prioritize it. It's how we put things forward, and it's how we spend our time, and it's how we take charge and do things which are important to us and which will take us to another level. Yeah.
Wonderful.
So those are the three secrets in a very short gist. If you have any other questions, or if you want me to expand on something, let me know.
Yeah, I just want to know, like when we are talking about three secrets and for life mastery or mastering life. So, how did you start your journey towards mastering life?
Okay. First of all, I want to tell you, there's a lie in this. I'm not a master. I'm a student of life, and I'm still a student. And if I understand your question better. I think the first moment where my eyes were opened and where I started, getting on this journey of mastering life and getting on this journey of seeking and being a student of all these areas, that now I think I can call myself a master to a certain extent. Okay? But otherwise, even I'm learning. And I say, if you are, a more than a 6, 7 or 8, आफ्टर इफ वी नंबर इट, 0 से लेकर अगर आप 10 तक, तो पूरी लाइफ लग जाती है जाने में. बट अगर आप एक 7 या 8 पर भी आ गए हो ना, then you can call yourself a little bit of a master and you can start teaching others. That is what I do. That is what my community is about. And I take people from level 0 to 5 first, and then 5 से 10 तक की जर्नी शुरू होती है. 8 तक जब जाते हैं तो वो भी अपने आप को मास्टर्स बोल सकते हैं. तो मेरी जर्नी शुरू यहाँ से हुई थी. आई गॉट I like a classic, hero's journey. Some kind of conflict happens. In my case, it was a breakup that happened in class 12th, when I was just, like a young boy, and I was very confused. I was like, "ये कैसे हो गया? ऐसा कैसा?" And my friends were going on trips after the 12th boards, and I was studying Tony Robbins. So that was my journey. And when I was studying those big books, Unleash the Power Within, and all these things, and I was like, yeah, why is this stuff not taught in school? What are we doing? And that is when the seed was planted. And since then I've been a student of life. And now, after 7 or 10 odd years, I can say, actually us time se to zyada hi time ho gaya. So from 10 years I can say that I am a bit of a master in some areas of my life, and I'm doing pretty well with that. So yeah.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल. दो अगर आप देखो, आप कोचिंग लाइन में आ जाते हैं, एंड इफ यू आर एम्पावरिंग द लाइव्स ऑफ अदर्स, देन ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी एनर्जी जो है हाई हो जाती है. सो यू आर ऑलरेडी लाइक आप एक लेवल पर हो. सो द पीपल हु आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम यू, दे एक्चुअली consider you as master, right? So you become a master of something. That is why you are spreading that energy into the others. So wonderful. Thank you so much for a wonderful answer. I just want to know, okay, before that, I just want to welcome our audience. I can see here Art with Poonam and Supreet, Sophia. So welcome to all of you. And friends, we are talking about here about 3 secrets of mastering self or self-mastery. Right. So if you have any question, if you want to ask anything, just please write that in the comments, and we will ask that from Aman. And again, he's a master. So for me, he's a master. So he will answer that. Right.
Thank you.
So wonderful. Thank you so much.
Just by the way, yeah, I want to say hi to everyone as well, because we are at StreamYard at the moment, so I can't see you guys, or if you're sending any messages. But just imagine I'm there and I'm reading all of things. And Prashant, you can let me know whatever the questions are, and I'll go with that.
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you for joining.
Poonam, Poonam says hi, and we have Poonam with us. So Supreet, Sophia, and Simlesh. So welcome all of you. How to deal with procrastination situation? The question comes from Poonam.
What is the question? Can you repeat that?
How to deal with procrastination situation?
How to deal with procrastination situation?
Yeah.
Is that the question?
Okay. That's right.
Is there a situation, in a particular situation, that you want to deal with, or is it procrastination in general? Just so that I understand the question correctly.
So let's take it a situation, because what is written here is how to deal with procrastination situation.
Okay. So, So how to deal with procrastination? First of all, there is a course in my bio. Go check that out and join it. You will kill procrastination forever. And that is a shameless plug from my side. But the point is, see, procrastination is like I have a whole this thing जिसमें ना, like I go, जो मैंने इतने साल की मेरी journey रही है ना, with I work with the athletes, I work with performers, I work with artists, and we have kind of developed this thing, which is we have taken it from a Indian this thing. And this is something that a lot of artists and a lot of people out in US, in Hollywood, in there is this artist called this small little artist called Beyonce, if you have heard her name. And then there is this man called David Goggins, who's like a rock star triathlete and marathon runner and all that. And then
Right.
there is this guy Kobe Bryant, who's a late basketball player, but he was considered as the black mamba of basketball. So all of these
Wow.
people are using the same technique that I teach in my this thing. And in this, what we create is a like a superhero inside your mind. And this superhero just takes charge, comes up and does the stuff for you. This is the moment where you
Wow.
need to just sit back and relax. And the superhero comes in and he's like, अच्छा क्या करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, let's do it. Get to business, does this and then goes away. And ये
Wow.
तरीका एक ऐसा है, once you start internalize these things, it gets so deeper into your system, you don't even need the superhero later. The Clark Kent himself can be the Superman. The Bruce Wayne
Yeah.
himself can be the Batman. So that is the system. But if you want to take quick, like जो हर कोई देते हैं generic advice, अगर आपको चाहिए तो सबसे पहले तो जो आपकी distractions हैं उनको हटा दो. पहले awareness लेकर आओ,
All right.
distractions क्या हैं. क्योंकि ना एक मेरे mentor हैं और आई थिंक प्रशांत सर आप भी जानते होंगे उनको. ही इज द फाउंडर ऑफ सक्सेस गैर, Mr. Suret. He had
Yeah.
this beautiful
Yeah.
quote which I love, which is called, there are two types of people in this world. Either you are successful or you are distracted. So see
Yeah.
what your distractions are and go and eliminate them. That will make you more productive and
Yeah.
take you away from procrastination. So that is the short of it. If you want the longer version, come join my this thing and check it out for yourself. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing this wonderful insight. Even I see that in life दो ही चीजें होती हैं, either we grow or we decay. या तो हम बढ़ते हैं या फिर हम नीचे जाते हैं. Right. So thank you so much for sharing this. And with this, I have other people joined us. So Simlish says hi, boss. And Sneha, hello Sneha, Fit for Life, Poonam, Mansi, and Commerce Rama, Mansi says hi. And but okay, Simlish has a question
Hi.
here. But what if procrastination is situational? If a person is burdened with a lot and he ends up procrastination or procrastinating.
If a person is burdened with a lot, what did you say after that?
A burdened with a lot and he ends up procrastinating.
Okay. So as I said, actually, first of all, beautiful question. And I want to thank you, thank Poonam and Simran, both of you guys, because this is the point of the beginning. So Prashant, if you would allow me, I'll quickly just tell you something. What is the journey that I take people through in my community?
Yeah.
And then I'll answer
Yes,
this
please.
question. So
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So basically, with my community, what we do, the core, the central thing is life mastery. Okay, we have to master. I believe if we master all areas of our life, we can live a very fulfilling life, and that is the end result. The end goal is कि भाई हम शांति से जिए, हमारी आत्मा खुश रहे, ठीक है. And in order to do that, I choose life mastery, ठीक है. और end goal ऊपर जाके बन जाता है legacy का. That is like what I do at a later stage when people are crorpatis and they're joining with me. I'm investing with them, real estates. We're doing charities, we're doing funds, we're doing a lot of different things. So that is legacy part. ठीक है, हम वहां तक जाते हैं, but थोड़ा सा उसको ब्रेक डाउन करके वापस आ जाते हैं. Let's start to the granular level. ठीक है.
Yeah.
लाइफ मास्टरी हमारा सेंट्रल है, लेगेसी हमारा एंड गोल है. सबसे छोटा जो आ जाता है ना, बेसिक आ जाता है हमारा प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन पे. क्योंकि मैं देखता हूँ कि लोग करना बहुत कुछ चाहते हैं, लोग अपनी लाइफ में चाहते बहुत कुछ है, बट प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन का कीड़ा ही उन्हें रोक लेता है. तो मैंने उसी को टारगेट करा, एंड दैट इज माय स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, एंड दैट इज द थिंग दैट आई वाज टेलिंग यू, वेयर आई हेल्प देम with this thing, which all of these artists, all of these rappers, all of these amazing people who are doing. David Bowie is another example, who was a great artist from the 80s. He used to do this too. So this is the thing that we start. And jahan pe Simlish ka question hai regarding this thing, where she's asking if a person is occupied with so many things and there is so much happening and उस वजह से वो procrastinate कर रहे हैं. तो अभी अगर आप देखोगे, मैंने आपको एक स्टोरी दी है कि मैं कितना कुछ कर रहा हूँ. लाइफ मास्टरी में बहुत एलिमेंट्स आते हैं. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, time
Exactly.
management, you have goal setting, you have purpose, you have passion, you have financial literacy, you have so much that goes behind in life mastery. So
Right.
I do have a lot of on my plate, and I understand where that question is coming from. And you know what we do? We go back to the basics. We go back to the same thing that I said earlier. Either
Yeah.
you're distracted or you are successful. Distractions can
Right.
also come in the form of too much work. Distractions can also come in the form of
Yeah.
so much on my plate. What to do? Let's not do anything.
Right.
Because destiny doesn't understand that. जो वो बोलते हैं ना कि this is a quote from one of my friends. His name is Mahesh. He says, 3 things stop you from becoming successful. One is excuses. Second is genuine reasons. Third is even more justifiable genuine reasons. क्योंकि वो चाहे वो एक्सक्यूज हो, चाहे वो रीजन हो, चाहे वो जस्टिफाइबल जेन्युइन रीजन हो, काम तो नहीं हुआ ना जो हम करने को चले थे. इनपुट हमने नहीं दिया, आउटपुट नहीं निकला, प्रोसेस नहीं हुआ, नथिंग हैज हैपेंड. मैंने आपका एक्सक्यूज मान लिया, प्रशांत ने आपका एक्सक्यूज मान लिया, कोई और है जिसके लिए आप काम कर रहे हो, जो आपका जिसने आपको हैकाथॉन दिया है, जिसके आप क्वेश्चन में हो, जो चीजें चल रही हैं आपकी लाइफ में, उन्होंने भी आपका एक्सक्यूज मान लिया. बट क्या वो काम हुआ एट द एंड ऑफ द डे? If Simlish
Right.
wakes up tomorrow and she's like, आज मैं सोच के चली थी कि मैं 3 चीजें करूंगी, बट शायद बहुत ज्यादा काम था, शायद कुछ काम नहीं था, शायद ये था, शायद वो था, डेफिनेटली था, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा नहीं था, सब चीजें थी, बट एंड ऑफ द डे वो काम हुआ? अगर हो गया, अगर नहीं हुआ, so if it's no work, doesn't matter. If it is too much work, doesn't matter. Just start. And अपने आप को, you know, there is that 5-second rule. अपने आप को पटा लो, अपने आप को समझा लो, मैं बस 5 सेकंड करूंगी, that's it. कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूं उसके बाद.
Yeah.
क्योंकि कभी कभी ना वो शुरुआत वाले 5 सेकंड इज द हार्डेस्ट, बट वंस यू गेट थ्रू दैट स्पीड बम्प, यू गुड टू गो. और एक मोमेंटम बिल्ड होता है, एंड वंस यू बिल्ड दैट मोमेंटम, नथिंग कैन स्टॉप यू.
Wonderful.
So I think that's
So
my
I'm
answer.
sure.
I hope that helps Simlish, and I cannot hear in the comments it's helped. Thank you so much, sir. But I believe you're saying that. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Simlish, for asking this question, and Aman, thank you for answering, and it's a wonderful, you know, insight for this. और अगर देखो आपके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम होती है, that hit hard. Oh, Simlish says that hit hard. All right. So even कि अगर देखो
Thank you.
आपसे एक चीज पूछी जाए कि how
I
to
hope you
yeah, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि
No, I
how
was
to
just
eat
saying, she said it hit hard. I was just saying, yeah,
okay,
go on.
अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि how to eat a pizza or how to eat an elephant, right? तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? I'm sure every one of you would say that one bite at a time. One bite at a time. तो अगर बहुत सारा काम है तो कोई एक उठा लो, right? Make it in chunks. छोटी छोटी बाइट बना लो, और छोटी वाले को जो सबसे आसान है उसको पहले बनाओ, क्योंकि अगर आप एक कर लोगे ना तो आपका मोटिवेशन ऐसे ही बढ़ जाएगा. ओके,
यहाँ पे भी प्रशांत मैं एक्चुअली एक चीज ऐड करना चाहूंगा. सॉरी, एक चीज जो ये पिज्जा वाली चीज थी ना, इसमें मैं एक चीज ऐड करना चाहूंगा. जैसे मैं अपने इसमें सिखाता हूँ सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, और मैंने आज भी बोला था सेल्फ मास्टरी में भी सेल्फ अवेयरनेस सबसे पहली चीज है. तो अगर हम यही एग्जांपल लेना पिज्जा का, देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल. एक इंसान होता है जो कोशिश करता है कि छोटा सा एक बाइट ले ले और मोमेंटम बिल्ड कर दे, और एक दूसरा इंसान होता है जो कोशिश जो हु आर यू नो लिटिल क्रेजियर पीपल लाइक मी. व्हाट वी डू इज वी टेक द हार्डेस्ट टास्क फर्स्ट, कि हम पहले वो फिनिश कर देंगे, द लायंस शेयर, एंड वंस वी फिनिश दैट देन बाकी सब बहुत इजी है. तो आप ये देखो आप कौन से इंसान हो उन दोनों में से, और आप जो भी हो उस अवेयरनेस के साथ जाके वो चीज पहले कर लो. क्योंकि अगर आप पहले वाले हो तो
बड़े गोल को देख के डर जाते हैं.
फिर आपसे वही हाँ, और अगर आप दूसरे वाले हो
अच्छा।
और आपको हार्ड काम ही चाहिए तो फिर छोटे वाले से आप बोर हो जाओगे, आपका मन ही नहीं करेगा, आप कुछ करोगे ही नहीं। तो आप जो हो पहले खुद को जानो, उसके बाद वो चीज आके अटैक कर दो, फिर रुको मत, 5 सेकंड रूल अप्लाई करो, करना है एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट। या
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much for this. And with this, now we have Ashwini and Mansi says awesome insight. Thank you so much. And thanks to Aman.
थैंक यू।
Okay. And so simple to start. Yes, that is. Thank you so much, Poonam ji, for appreciating. So, अमन जी, मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब लाइफ मास्टरी की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डज इट इंक्लूड? क्या कोई माइंडसेट है, कोई फाउंडेशन है जिससे हमें लाइफ मास्टरी की शुरुआत करनी चाहिए? लाइक जस्ट टू मास्टर और लाइक एटलीस्ट हम कदम तो बढ़ाएं वहां के लिए. सो इज देयर एनी माइंडसेट फॉर दैट?
सो जैसे मैंने कहा कि वो चीज़ जिसमें ना मैं आपको माइंडसेट में सबसे पहले तो हम जानते हैं हम कौन है। अगेन सेल्फ अवेयरनेस पे ही मेन चीज़ आती है, हम कौन हैं, ठीक है? हमारा क्या पास्ट है, हमारी क्या चीज़ें हैं जो हमें रोक कर बैठी हुई है। हम सबसे पहले उस चीज़ को डिस्कवर करते हैं, ठीक है?
राइट.
वंस वी हैव द क्लैरिटी, जब हमारा वो होता है ना कि क्या कहते हैं, हम गाड़ी भी चलाने जा रहे हैं, हमें पता होना चाहिए ना गाड़ी में कितना पेट्रोल बचा है, कितना डीजल है, क्या है, या क्या स्टैट्स हैं उसके, गाड़ी के टायर में सारे प्रेशर हैं, सब कुछ है, बढ़िया चलेगी, तभी हमें पता है। अगर हम चाहे रेस लगाने जा रहे हो या हम एक लॉन्ग ट्रिप पे जा रहे हो, कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो, हमें वो चीज़ों की पता है तो हमारे लिए बेटर रहेगा, जर्नी हमारे लिए मोर सॉर्टेड। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि अगर आपको वो चीज़ें पता है, वो बिना पता करे आप चल नहीं सकते हो, आप चल सकते हो। काफ़ी लोग चल रहे हैं, काफ़ी लोग किस्मत के सहारे चल रहे हैं, भाई चल रही है गाड़ी, कुछ काम किया है ना कुछ करा है, चल रहे हैं बस। और लाइफ लेके जा रही है, एक गुब्बारे की तरह हवा जैसे लेके जा रही है उसको, वैसे ही वो ब्लो करते जा रहे हैं, चलते जा रहे हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और उनमें से कुछ लोगों की लाइफ बहुत बढ़िया जा रही है, कुछ लोगों की बिल्कुल ही गलत जा रही है और वो चल रही है, उन्हें कोई अवेयरनेस नहीं है, एंड दैट इज ओके फॉर देम। But if you are watching this live right now, if you're sitting in this room right now, or if you will be watching this later, I think you are the kind of person who wants to do something about their life. And if you are that kind of person, the first thing that comes is awareness. And awareness about who you are, where you are from, what has been stopping you, what has been motivating you, what has been doing good things for you, what has been doing bad things for you. All of this awareness. एंड व्हाट आर योर इनपुट्स, आपकी लाइफ में कहाँ से क्या आ रहा है, क्या डाल रहे हो, क्या खा रहे हो, क्या पी रहे हो, क्या सुन रहे हो, क्या आपकी 5 सेंसेस होती हैं, उन 5 सेंसेस में आप क्या क्या डाल रहे हो, क्या क्या फीड कर रहे हो, ऑल ऑफ दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट।
अमेजिंग.
तो जब आपके पास वो लेवल की अवेयरनेस आती है ना, उसके बाद आपको पता है कि आपके पास ना एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट आ गया, अब हमें पता है कि हमें यहाँ से कहाँ कहाँ जाना है, और वो कहाँ कहाँ जाना है, अगेन उसके लिए you have Prashant, you have me, we have so many coaches, around us. Prashant keeps coming up with so many coaches on his show. So all of these coaches, whoever you connect with the most, जैसे अगर आप आज मुझे देख रहे हो और आप मुझसे कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, तो you can come and follow me, check me out, see अगर आप मुझसे vibe कर रहे हो, तो we will take you to the same journey. All of the coaches, all of these folks, all of these, you have spiritual gurus, the real ones, not the funny ones. You have all of these people and they're taking you through the same journey, through the same level of, वहां लेके जा रहे हैं जहां आपको जाना है। आपने ये देखना आप किसके साथ ज्यादा अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, और किसके मतलब कौन ऐसा है या कौन वहां है जहां आप होना चाहते हो।
राइट.
ठीक है, अब ये हम बोलते हैं ना कि मे बी आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अनदर टाटा, बट टाटा इज नॉट कमिंग एंड टीचिंग यू व्हाट ही डिड. Or even if you read his autobiography or his biography or whatever, those are written by other people. But then you have coaches like ourselves, who are guiding people, who are making real changes. I'm not saying all of the coaches are good ones, there are some not so good ones as well, but you see who you connect with the most. You can, as a person, you can see and you can understand कि authenticity कहाँ आ रही है और gumption किसके अंदर है, who is the real deal, who is just talking, वो भी पता चल जाता है, and who can walk the talk, वो भी पता चल जाता है. And all of us have that level of, वो ना एक bullshit meter कहता हूँ मैं, हमें पता चल जाता है कि भाई he knows what he is talking about and this one not so much. तो अगर आप ऐसे किसी के साथ कनेक्ट कर रहे हो किसी के साथ आप इत्तेफाक रखते हो, किसी की बात में आपको मजा आ रहा है, कुछ सुनने को मिल रहा है। कभी कभी ना मैं बताता हूँ, मेरे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, वो कहते हैं सर बस हमें आपको सुनने में बहुत मजा आता है। और ये वही है जो मेरे साथ 2-3 साल से जुड़े हुए हैं और आज उन्हें पता भी नहीं है मैंने उनकी लाइफ में क्या चेंज किया है, बट उनके आसपास वाले लोग बताते हैं भाई तू बहुत शांत हो गया है, तू बहुत ऐसा हो गया है, तू बहुत वैसा हो गया है। एंड देन दे कम एंड टेल मी, देयर लाइक सर आपने तो हमें कुछ बताया ही नहीं। मैंने कहा मुझे बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। आज
Right.
in this room there is a young lady today who we were talking about something and she was confused with the time management, and I did not tell her anything. We were just in each other's presence, and she calmed down, she saw the time, and she made the.
Wow.
And who is that
That's
lady? I don't know. If she wants to tell, she can tell. If she doesn't, that's okay too. Yeah.
right.
I
Thank you.
hope
Thank you.
that answers your question. That's a good starting point to where you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Aman, for this wonderful answer. And now we have with us Pariupal and Ekya Yoga. Mansi says, great जवाब. इसी के साथ हमारे पास एक और क्वेश्चन है, that is from Simlish again. How to get clarity in discovering what is the right path for you?
Okay. How to get clarity in distinguishing what's the right path for you? Is that the question?
In discovering what is the right path for you.
Okay, discovering the right path for you. So the clarity of discovering what's the right path for you. इसका ना बहुत तगड़ा आंसर है, बट मैं दे दूंगा ना तो प्रशांत मुझे मारेंगे.
नहीं
बताओ प्रशांत दे दूं?
बस अब्यूज मत करना, बस बाकी आप दे दो.
नहीं, अब्यूज नहीं. मैं कहूंगा कि आके मेरी कम्युनिटी ज्वाइन कर लो.
ओह वाह.
नहीं, ये एक्चुअली ये देखो क्लैरिटी के लिए ना इसमें कुछ चीजें हैं जो जाती हैं और कुछ चीजें हैं जिसपे हमें ना वेरी पर्सनलाइज्ड लेवल पे काम करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, अब अगर मैं आपको एक ओपन एंडेड आंसर दूंगा या एक टेम्पलेट दूंगा ना, तो प्रॉब्लम वही होगी कि लोग उस चीज को पकड़ेंगे और कहेंगे अप्लाई करने की कोशिश करेंगे, बट अगेन दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हु दे आर, वेयर दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम, ऑल ऑफ देयर सेंसेस, ऑल ऑफ देयर दिस थिंग, एंड देन दे विल से ये टेम्पलेट तो वर्क नहीं कर रहा. तो उस टेम्पलेट को भी मैं पब्लिकली नहीं देता हूँ. व्हाट आई डू इज कम हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद मी, हैव जस्ट 10-15 मिनट्स 30 मिनट डिस्कवरी कॉल. आपकी जो भी है ना, जो डिस्कवर करना है आपको खुद को और अपनी लाइफ के बारे में, वो हम आपके अंदर से ही निकालेंगे. क्योंकि मैं आपको बोल दूंगा ना कुछ ऐसे ऐसे कर लो, तो वो ऐसे ऐसे बाहर का ही रह जाएगा, वो एक्सटीरियर है. बट जो आपके अंदर से आएगा ना कि हाँ ये डिस्कवरी है, ये क्लैरिटी है, वो बेटा वो एक कोच के साथ बैठ के 1-on-1 ही है ये. या फिर कुछ टेम्पलेट है, वो मेरे को देखना है कि मैं किसको कौन से दे सकता हूँ. तो ये मैं ओपनली नहीं बताना चाहूंगा. किसका क्वेश्चन था ये? सिमलिश का. सिमलिश, आप मुझसे पर्सनली कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं 1-on-1. वी कैन हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑन दिस, एंड इफ एनीवन एल्स हैज दिस क्वेश्चन, please feel free to connect with me 1-on-1. And I think Prashant also can help you with this. He's a mindset and a miracle coach, so mindset में भी ये चीज आ जाती है. तो whoever you know vibe with more, please connect with those coaches and they can help you and in discovering and give you more clarity on your path. So yeah.
For this, actually, I'm bringing something that is called pizza offer. How to discover your higher self.
Well, there you are.
Okay.
एंड इसमें भी जैसे हम जो सुपर हीरो क्रिएट करते हैं ना, मैं आपको बता रहा था, तो वो सुपर हीरो भी ऐसा क्रिएट होता है जो आपसे बहुत मैच करता है. ठीक है, वो आप ही के पॉइंट्स पकड़ के आता है और वही चीजें पकड़ के आता है जहां पे आप लैक कर रहे हो. तो उसको अगर मैं यहीं पे ले आऊंगा तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी फिर. ठीक है, जो बहुत ज्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन और बहुत ज्यादा ओवरलोड हो जाएगा. तो लेट्स कीप इट सिंपल.
द बेस्ट थिंग इज लाइक आप अगर कनेक्शन फील करते हो ना, देन यू कनेक्ट. क्योंकि अगर देखो अमन से आप कनेक्ट करते हो, एंड इफ अमन एक्चुअली टेक्स यू टू द इन द राइट डायरेक्शन एंड टू द डेस्टिनेशन व्हिच यू आर सीकिंग, उससे बेटर कुछ नहीं है. राइट. So thank you so much, Simlish, for this question, and Aman for answering this. इसी के साथ हमारे पास Simlish का एक और क्वेश्चन है. Do you have any regrets in life, in your life, we would also love to know your journey on how you became a life mastery coach.
Do you have any regrets on how you became a life mastery coach?
No. Do you have any regrets in your life? This is first one. And we would love to
Okay.
know your journey on how you became a life mastery coach.
Okay.
Two
So
questions.
last part of the question I got, that how do you became a life mastery coach? But what's the first part? I'm not getting that. Like
Do
there's
you have
some
any
connection error.
regrets?
Regret के
Do
बाद
you
क्या
have
था?
any in your life?
Regrets in my life. Okay. The first question का answer है no. I used to have a few, but they are also taken care of by now. And now I'm a free man, no regrets whatsoever. And I'm living my life, and I'm living my best life, and I'm loving each and every moment of it. And this is, it takes some inner work to get there. And it took me as well. It took me a lot of time and a lot of healing and a lot of forgiving, a lot of forgiving myself, a lot of forgiving others, a lot of forgiving situations, and a lot of forgivingness to things which were not in my control, and letting go of those things. So it is a journey, and I'm happy to say that right now, at this present moment, I have no regrets, none whatsoever. I'm very happy to say that. Yeah. And the second part of the question, मैंने इसका थोड़ा सा आंसर शुरू में भी कर दिया था, but if you're asking again and you were not present there, so I'll repeat that. How I got into this journey, first of all, a breakup in 12th standard, and that kind of opened my eyes to this world of personal development and all these things. And I was introduced to this young man, this tiny short young man called Anthony Robbins. And he had this small book called Unleash the Power Within, this small. And so that was my first introduction to self development and all of these things. And since then a seed was planted. And after that I went to UK, did my studies. And but एक वो सीड प्लांट हो ही गया था, तो वो जहाँ मैं पढ़ रहा था और जो चीजें पढ़ रहा था उसमें मेरा ध्यान कम था और इन चीजों में ज्यादा था. So I was obviously developing myself, developing my skills. I was developing digital marketing. मैं करनी शुरू कर दी थी. मैंने इसलिए सीखी थी कि मैं खुद को मार्केट कर सकूं. और फिर वो मैंने सिखानी शुरू कर दी लोगों को, उनको पसंद आई, मैंने अपनी कंपनी खोली. whole lot of things happened, and side by side मैं ये चीजें कर रहा था. I was just being a life coach without the label of a life coach. So for the first 3 years I was doing life coaching for free, did not charge anyone anything, and I was just doing it as a sake of helping my friends and guiding them. That's it. And
Wow.
after, I think, this one fine day, this lady said, I want to pay you for what you did to me, what you did for me, rather. And I remember she paid me 2,000 rupees, and that was my first life coach ki income. And I still remember how it felt. And first of all I was like, नहीं यार, मैं तो help कर रहा हूँ. And मैं उसको accept नहीं करना चाहता था. But she was very insistent, and she was like, no, you do not know what you have done. And she was happily giving me that. She was a student, but she was happily giving me 2,000 rupees कि नहीं, ये कुछ नहीं है, आपने जो करा है उसके हिसाब से ये कुछ भी नहीं है. बट अगर मैं ये नहीं दूंगी ना, तो मैं अपने साथ नहीं सो पाऊंगी, बिकॉज आई विल फील दैट आई एम नॉट गिविंग बैक फॉर व्हाट आई हैव रिसीव्ड. And I was like, okay, that makes sense.
Right.
And I accepted it. And that is where my journey of being a professional life coach started. And I did all my certifications before, सब करके बैठा था, लेकिन मैं लाइफ कोचिंग के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ दे जाता था. इसीलिए मैंने लाइफ मास्टरी ऐड कर दिया, क्योंकि जब इतनी सारी चीजें दे रहे हो ना, एंड इट इज नॉट बाय द स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ दोस गवर्निंग
Yeah.
bodies of life coaching, then I'm like, okay, what I'm giving is okay, the video is stuck. Are you there?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically that's how I started, and this is the first time I'm telling this 2,000 rupee wala story to anyone. So I'm kind of happy of sharing this with you, Prashant. Thank you so much for that question. Simlish, did you ask the question?
It is.
Was that Simlish who asked the question?
Yes.
So I want to thank Simlish
it is
as well,
really
bringing that story out of me after ages.
It's actually inspiring, and I'm sure that all of us who are listening to us, who are watching us right now, you actually feel a bit of inspiration within you, that if you get something, Like when you are just giving, and somebody comes and says, okay, see, energy exchange, please take it. How do you feel?
Yeah.
That actually is a real inspiration. So thank you so much, Simlish, for this question, and Aman for answering and inspiring the lives present here. And the time management lady was Simlish again. She said, the young lady is me.
No, actually, this time the young lady was not you. It was someone else. But okay, if you want to say that, I'll give you that as well.
And with this, we have
It was
Karishma
another
joined
member
us.
of our
So,
team.
okay. So with this, Karishma has joined us, and friends, we are talking about the secrets of self mastery or life mastery. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask. With this, Aman, I want to ask, like, जब हम अपनी जर्नी पे होते हैं, चाहे कोई भी जर्नी हो, whether you are a parenting coach, you are a self mastery coach, you are like you are teaching students, और you are a career coach, चाहे किसी भी फील्ड में आप हो, you are a tarot reader or any field. During this journey, कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन बन के सामने आती हैं, जैसे कि if I say सेल्फ डाउट या लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स. सो लाइफ मास्टरी की जर्नी में भी ऐसी चीजें आती हैं, right? Am I audible?
I'm sorry, I'm losing didn't put the audio. Yeah, something. The last line I missed. Can you please repeat that?
Yeah. So what I'm asking is, like, doesn't matter the person is in which field, a coach, trainer or a mentor, किसी भी niche में हो, उनके लाइफ में हमेशा सेल्फ डाउट या लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स जरूर आते हैं. So how to overcome them?
Okay, how to overcome the limiting beliefs.
And
मैं यहाँ पे ना
self-doubt.
थोड़ा सा हाँ, सेल्फ डाउट और लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स एंड ये सारी चीज़ें आती हैं, फॉर श्योर आती हैं. और मैं तो बोलूँगा कि टिल दिस डे मुझे भी आती हैं. देयर आर टाइम्स, यू नो, व्हेन यू आस्क्ड, व्हेन यू आर there are moments when you feel कि shit, what is happening, or you know, like, so what I do is I keep मैं थोड़ा सा मतलब डिफरेंट हूँ अपना, मतलब मैं एज अ पर्सन थोड़ा डिफरेंट हूँ इन चीज़ों में. मैं खुद को चैलेंजेस देता रहता हूँ जानबूझकर, सो दैट यू नो कि कोई भी दिक्कत हो, कुछ भी हो, तो आई काइंड ऑफ रीफ्रेमिंग एवरीथिंग दैट आई डू. तो ये मैं नॉर्मल पब्लिक के लिए तो नहीं एडवाइस करूँगा, बट जब सेल्फ डाउट आते हैं ना, तो वो आते हैं जब हम अलाइंड नहीं होते. ठीक है, अलाइनमेंट क्या होती है? व्हाट वी आर सेइंग, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग एंड व्हाट वी आर सपोज्ड टू डू, जो हमने सेट आउट किया है ना. और अगर कहीं पे भी कंग्रुएंस नहीं होती है कि हम बोल ये रहे हैं, हमारा मन कहीं और जा रहा है, तो जब वो नहीं होता ना, तभी सेल्फ डाउट प्रॉपर होता है. और तभी वो उसको एंटरटेन करने का टाइम, क्योंकि ब्रेन की चैटर तो चलती रहती है 24 घंटे. ये वो डिसीजंस, क्वेश्चंस, रेड कलर, ब्लू कलर, व्हाइट कलर, सब चलता रहता है. ठीक है, यहाँ करना है, इन्वेस्ट करना है, ये चीज करनी है, क्या मैंने ये सही डिसीजन लिया, क्या मैंने नहीं लिया, एम आई डूइंग द राइट थिंग, ये सारी चीजें चलती रहती हैं और ये चलती रहेंगी. ठीक है, हमें देखना है हम कब अलाइन हो रहे हैं. और अगेन इसके लिए भी जो वो मेरा सुपर हीरो वाला फॉर्मूला है ना, वो जब सुपर हीरो बाहर आ जाता है ना, वो चैटर ही बंद कर देता है. वो कहता है अभी मैं एक्शन मोड में हूँ, तो चैटर सुन ही नहीं रहा. तो जब वो चैटर सुन ही नहीं रहा, तब तो कोई डाउट हमें रोक नहीं पाता इन दैट स्टेज. But in case if you have not done that, if you are not aware of that, if that is not your life, a simple thing, when you are in doubt, sit with yourself just for 5 minutes and sit still. ठीक है, और आपने ना फिर एक मेडिटेशन करनी है जिसमें आपने बन जाना एक ऑब्जर्वर, और आपने अपने थॉट्स को जाते हुए देखना है. आपने देखना है वो क्या चीज है जो आपका सेल्फ डाउट क्रिएट कर रही है, और वो जो भी चीज है ना जो डाउट में आपको क्रिएट कर रही है, आपने उस चीज को हर एंगल से अटैक करना है. और आपने देखना है कि क्या ये इसीलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि अभी मैं एक बड़ा डिसीजन लेने जा रहा हूँ, क्या ये वैलिड चीज है, क्या ये सही है, क्या ये खतरा है, क्या मेरा ओल्ड अर्ली ह्यूमन ब्रेन इज स्टॉपिंग मी फ्रॉम मेकिंग दिस बिग डिसीजन, आर देयर बिग स्टेक्स,
राइट.
या मैं कभी होता है ना, कभी एज अ कोच हमें देखना है क्या ये वो वाला मोमेंट है जहां पे दिस इज जस्ट कोल्ड फीट, एंड वी हैव टू ब्रिंग आवर अवेयरनेस टू इट, एंड वी हैव टू जस्ट सी ये क्या चीज है, इज द रीजन वैलिड, or is it just a monkey brain overpowering and just asking questions for no reason? तो इस चीज पे जब आप अवेयरनेस लेके आओगे तो आपको क्लैरिटी मिलेगी. और मैं तो मतलब लिटरली मैं अपने आप को इतने चैलेंजेस देता रहता हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं अपनी वो नहीं करना चाहता. बट अगर आप में से कोई भी इस चीज से हल्की सी भी इंस्पिरेशन लेना चाहता है तो अपने ना ब्रेन को अपने ऊपर हावी मत.
Right. Can you hear me? Aman, your video is freezed. Are you there? Okay, I think there is some problem or there is some network issue. Let's wait for some time. I think I've lost him. Aman? Okay, let's wait for some time. He will connect again. I think video is not coming on or something. Okay, meanwhile, thank you so much, guys. You are asking wonderful questions. Actually, you know, these questions can help a lot of people. आप जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो आपको नहीं पता कि वो क्वेश्चन किसी और का भी हो सकता है. So keep asking, and I see. Yeah, hi. Oh, you are back.
Yeah. Yes. Awesome.
Yeah.
So where were we?
So,
क्या सुना लास्ट? वहीं से कंटिन्यू करते हैं या फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या करना है?
So आपके पास बस वही है कि आप ऑब्जर्व करते रहो अपने थॉट्स को और चारों तरफ से उस पर हमला करो, right? So this way you will be able to overcome this self doubt, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So,
self doubt एक्चुअली मैंने बहुत लंबा आंसर में दे गया था, फिर उस टाइम में इंटरनेट वाला हो गया तो बहुत जूसी और मीठी आंसर था, बट कोई नहीं. Maybe please you can go with the next question.
All right.
And
Thank
now
you.
you
Thank
are
you so
stuck
much.
again.
Yeah.
You're back. Please
So
go ahead.
now we have a question from Simlish again. What's your biggest learning in life? A question to both of you. Oh,
Okay. Well, let the host take this one first. Prashant, please let us know what's your biggest learning in life.
okay. So Simlish, thank you so much for first of all for asking this question. अगर मैं कहूँ कि biggest learning of life is like when I was on this journey, then I learned something जो आज तक अभी तक मेरी लाइफ को इंस्पायर करती है कि जब भी हम लोग मुश्किल में होते हैं then we actually look for someone or something or we pray to the divine कि यार कुछ कुछ करो मेरे लिए, कुछ करो और किसी को भेज दो, गॉड बन के आ जाए, कोई कोई ऐसा बन के आ जाए. But when you become a light for someone, that is the moment to bring that. ये आपका पर्पस है कि आप किसी की लाइफ में लाइट बन के जाओ एंड दैट पर्सन सेज यू नो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू आई डिड नॉट गिव अप. सो एक साइड इस तरफ होती है, दूसरी साइड इस तरफ होती है, राइट? ये वाली है कि ओके प्लीज गॉड सेंड समवन, और ये वाली साइड है कि ओके आई बिकम द लाइट फॉर यू. सो आई चोज दिस वन क्योंकि मैंने जब लोगों की लाइफ को इंस्पायर किया एंड somebody said, you know, Prashant, you are a superhuman for me because I've heard about supernatural powers and today I've met someone who is a superhuman. तो वहां से मुझे पता चल गया that I'm on the right path and I actually chose to become that light. So this is the biggest learning कि instead of looking for someone, at least be that person.
Yeah.
So
I have
over to
a
you.
cross question for you, Prashant, in this one, if I may. You know, if I just we switch roles for a second and I ask you a question.
Yeah, please.
With this answer, with what you said, have you ever been in a situation where to be this person, to be this light for other people, you had to sacrifice on any personal relationships or any other things? Has that ever happened with you?
No.
Okay, so how do
it's
you
not.
draw the
The
line?
only
and how
thing-
do you
See, when I came into this line, I used some, some things, or I should say techniques. कि
Okay.
जैसे हीलिंग जर्नी रही, एनर्जी हीलिंग रही, so I use those techniques अपने ऊपर ट्राई किया, घर पे ट्राई किया, सो आई गॉट द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। उसके बाद जब मैंने एक मास्टर प्रोग्राम है दैट इज न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग, तो उसके बाद तो मतलब पता चल गया, क्योंकि एनएलपी जो साइंस है वो ये कहते हैं कि इफ यू आर इन ट्रबल you are the reason, and if you are
Yep.
on the top, then again it is
You are the-
because of you. So everything starts from you. तो अगर आप अपने अंदर वो चेंज लेके आ जाओ, you become a change, then everything will change for you. Right? तो वहाँ से मैंने डिसाइड किया, and from there things changed. Even I started that journey alone, but बाद में तो बाकी लोग भी जुड़ गए, फैमिली भी साथ में थी, फैमिली का बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट मिला, so I am fortunate in this, you can say.
Yeah.
बट हाँ,
Yeah.
सेक्रीफाइस
No.
की अगर बात रही तो हाँ, मैंने जब मुझे लगा कि दिस इज माय कॉलिंग, तो मैंने इंस्टेंटली अपनी जॉब से रिजाइन किया एंड केम इनटू दिस फील्ड। एंड यहाँ आने के बाद मतलब मेरे को बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिले। पहले मुझे लगता था कि यार सिर्फ कराना ही है, बताना है लोगों को, सिखाना है लोगों को, बट मैन आई केम हियर देन मतलब इतने सारे रास्ते खुल गए कि यू कैन राइट अ बुक, यू कैन ओपन दैट यूट्यूब चैनल, देन यू कैन इंस्पायर अदर्स, यू कैन कनेक्ट विद डिफरेंट पीपल, यू कैन कनेक्ट विद डिफरेंट कोचेस, you can actually have one-to-one sessions, you can connect over the world, you are not limited कि आप अपनी सिटी में रहकर ही करो, over the world. So now when I connect with somebody from outside India and they say I have a coach from India, that वो कई बार बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग देता है कि ओ लाइक यहाँ पर लोग बोलते हैं आई हैव डन इट फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल, फ्रॉम अमेरिका एंड ऑल, एंड व्हेन दीस पीपल से आई हैव अ कोच फ्रॉम इंडिया, प्रशांत सैनी, बहुत अच्छा लगता है सुन के।
Music to our ears, yeah.
Yeah, I feel I think that answers your question.
Yeah. And like I think in this journey we are together, Prashant, because our common coaches and our common mentors, all of them have this dream of making India the learning capital of the world. And I
Yes.
think we're on the right path, and we're doing something on great lines in that this thing. And more power to you on that. Yeah. And what's the question for me? What was the question? The Simlish board?
What's your biggest learning in life? A question.
Biggest learning in life. Okay. I have a very small answer for this. Am I allowed?
Yes,
And
you are.
again, you can't hit me for that.
Okay.
Okay. The answer is the biggest learning in my life is 3 words. Yet to come.
Okay.
Because all my learnings are the biggest learnings, and I'm always looking for the next one. So it's always yet to come. It's a very anticlimactic answer, but that is it.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Simlish, I believe that answers your question. Thank you so much for this question. And Karishma says 3 biggest things that a coach must abide by. Any rules?
3 biggest things a coach must abide by. Okay, that's a beautiful question. And I think first things first, every coach should have their own code of honor. I think Karishma was in one of our sessions where I told her about these secret and quiet skills that coaches have. So, I think before any of those skills, before any of that, the first thing is every coach, every person should have their own code of honor. And whatever their code of honor is, I think that is the first governing thing. And all of these things, the first like top 3 things or top this or top that, you can add in yourself. And again, you need a level of self-awareness for that. And you need, like, if I give my own example, what are my code and what are my top 3 things that I have, which kind of keeps me aligned and kind of keeps me in my path. First of all is honesty with myself and with the other people, anyone that I'm with around, or anyone I'm teaching, anyone I'm facilitating, anyone I'm leading, or anything. I be 100% honest with them, and to the level where people say कि भाई ये ज़्यादा हो रहा है, but I'm like, this is me, this is us, this is what we're doing. And the second is integrity. Whatever I say, I do. And this is something I also, you guys are very familiar. These are the two things that I made all of you guys right as well. And
Right.
integrity is a very important part. And if I say something, I'll do it. If I say something, I'll do it right. And I'll do it with the right intentions, with the right mindset, and with the mindset of, not harming anyone in that. कि मेरी इंटेग्रिटी, मेरी चीजें, मेरे उसूल साथ में लेके चलेंगे, और वो चलेंगे एक पावर के साथ. ठीक है? And that is the second. And the third one is, actually these are not in order, and I have many more, but I think these would be very helpful for other people. Some people have this thing about divine, and some people do not believe in it. But for whoever who do believe in it, I think that if you take the first and the second one, and you think the divine is also watching, because the people say ki whatever you do when no one is watching is who you really are. So if you believe the divine is watching you every moment of your time, even in this live, when you're conducting your sessions, when you're doing anything, there are moments when we have those whispers of the devils. थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर लेते हैं, वो कर लेते हैं, कुछ गलत काम कर लेते हैं, हल्का सा थोड़ा, those whispers come in. And in those moments, if you think the divine is watching, and even like divine is watching is a thing, काफी लोगों को थोड़ा fear भी चाहिए होता है. But what is your own integrity? Do you stand by what you said you would do? Do you stand by your rules? Do you stand by the right thing? If you do, it'll show. If you don't, it will show. So I think those are the three things: honesty, integrity, and staying true to your divine, which is inside you, which is always watching.
Wonderful. Really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Aman, for sharing
I
your
want to ask
insights.
this to you as well. I want to ask this to you as well. What are your codes, rather, so that people get to know who Prashant is?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let me. Okay. Three biggest things. So first, I enjoy what I do. That is my first thing. Second is, you rightly said that integrity, what you say, at least do that. And the third one is spread your light.
Amazing. Thank you. Thank you for that. Yeah. Thank you for the question, Karishma. Amazing question. Yeah, please.
Okay, so Poonam ji says, my overthinking problem stops me to take action. So Aman shared that कि आप एक और observer बन जाओ and उन thoughts को आने दो, उनको सिर्फ watch करो as an observer. Thank you so much. And Suresh ji has joined us. And Simlesh, how long has it been that you realized this? What? That true calling? It's been time. So I'm just guessing whether क्योंकि हम लोग आगे निकल चुके हैं कि तो again see calling.
When did you realize this? What?
Yeah. Okay. So it's been time. I was into job, but उस time के बाद because when I found कि जो techniques मैं use कर रहा हूँ they are actually working. Energy healing जब शुरू की तो energies काम कर रही हैं. So that was my first introduction to energies. Like energy works. We all are energies. Right. And then Simlish again, have you watched the web series Manifest, as you mentioned about calling? नहीं अभी नहीं देखी. Right. Okay. Karishma is thanking you, Aman, for the wonderful answer. And Simlish has also forgotten now. What was it for? Anyways, friends, I have the last question of the session is like any final tip you want to give to the people who are watching us now and who will be watching us later, so that can actually bring a real transformation within them. And over to you for that.
Okay. I think I would not think of anything new. What you were saying, I'll just build on that, with energy, because I believe there is very much truth to this thing. There are energies out around us, within us, and with the things that we do, with the thoughts that we have, and as you say, Reiki is also flowing through us, and there is so much that is happening that we do not even understand or comprehend. And there is so much out there, like if you would have asked this to me 2 or 3 years ago, I would have just said कि नहीं नहीं ये सब बकवास है. But today I know, and I have felt it, I have experienced it, and I have experienced something that I can't even talk about. It's too divine, too like next level stuff. But coming back to reality and coming back to energies, I think there is a whole world of this out there that a lot of us don't understand, and it's a very interesting world. It's something that if you have some time, just put in some, read some books about it, and just open your mind to it just a little bit, and what you can experience through energies, and what the power of your thoughts and the things you are creating unnecessarily for yourself. A lot of people are creating so much unnecessary things for themselves. एक बार आप इन चीजों के लॉज और इन चीजों को समझ जाओगे ना, आपकी लाइफ बहुत सिंपल और बहुत इजी हो जाएगी. और अगर नहीं समझोगे और इन्हीं चैप्टर्स में फंसे रहोगे, इन्हीं चीजों में, ये अपोजिंग फोर्सेस जो आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो ना, विदाउट इवन रियलाइजिंग, विदाउट इवन जो जो you're creating bad emotions, jealousy, ये envy, ये सब चीजें जो जिसको आप बढ़ावा देके ना अपना ही नुकसान कर रहे हो, और वो मत करो. So you have Prashant, the miracle mindset coach, and you can connect with him. You can read books on this topic. You can watch videos on YouTube. You can go and research on this. This is a beautiful subject. And if you want to do this is something that I have focused on my level 2, and this is deeper work. So first of all, I take people from the basics. मैं शुरू से शुरुआत करता हूँ, ABCD सिखाता हूँ, सेंटेंसेस फॉर्म करना सिखाता हूँ, पैराग्राफ्स लिखना सिखाता हूँ, फिर उन्हें राइटर बनाता हूँ. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं, एंड दिस इज समवेयर इन द पैराग्राफ्स. ठीक है, बट आपको बेसिक सीखना है, प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन से डील करना है, आ जाओ मेरे पास. लाइफ मास्टरी सीखनी है, आ जाओ मेरे पास. एनर्जी वर्क्स पे काम करना है, प्रशांत इज देयर, माय लेवल 2 इज देयर. सो मेनी पीपल आउट देयर हु आर डूइंग स्टफ ऑन दिस. रीड बुक्स ऑन दिस टॉपिक एंड आपके दिमाग खुल जाएगा. वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं आपके चक्षु खुल जाएंगे. सो that is my ending thought. And thank you so much, Prashant, for having me. And there is one thing that I do, and I've made you do it as well a few times. And if you would allow me, if we could end on that note, if you have anything else, we can do that. But I would love for this one to end like that, if possible. Please, you can share your thoughts, and then let's do that.
Yeah, so first of all, I want to thank all of you, and because now we are moving to the end of the session, so I want to extend my deepest gratitude to all of you who joined us tonight. आप लोग कुछ और भी कर सकते थे, but आज आप यहाँ पर हो, so that shows that you actually have something in mind. So your presence and engagement actually truly made this session पूरा experience से भर दिया आप लोगों ने, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. And I'm sure that you will be leaving with valuable insights and actionable steps जो अमन ने यहाँ पे शेयर किया आपसे कि आप ये करो, अपने थॉट्स को ऑब्जर्व करो, take this step if you actually to master your life, right? And a huge thank you to our amazing guest Aman Khurana. So Aman, your wisdom and expertise have been so enlightening. I'm really पूरी तरह से मतलब blowing the mind. The way you shared the topic and mastering this, like, undoubtedly inspire many people here to make powerful changes in their lives. बहुत छोटे-छोटे steps लेकर आप incredible changes ला सकते हो. It's been an honor to have you with us. So आज का जो सेशन है हमारा, इतना मतलब इतनी ड्यूरेशन का सेशन कभी नहीं हुआ. So usually मैं ये सेशन 30 मिनट्स का करता हूँ, मैक्सिमम 40 मिनट्स का हो जाता है. 40 का भी नहीं हुआ, अभी 39 38 तक पहुंचा है. बट आज का सेशन बहुत बढ़िया रहा, एंड हम लोगों ने बहुत फन किया. सो आई एक्चुअली एंजॉयड इट. और सिमलिश, आपके क्वेश्चन तो वाओ यार, अमेजिंग. सिमलिश, करिश्मा, पूनम, मानसी, so every one of you.
Yeah. And
right, so Simlish here says
yeah, please.
Simlish Mansi says amazing live, enjoyed it to the hit. And Simlish says I've literally noted the learnings from today, top notch session. Karishma says absolutely, thanks to both of you, so thank you. And
मुझे तो नहीं मिली.
हमसे शेयर कर देना आपकी learning so that we also learn something.
Yeah,
right?
and
so
actually
everyone who
Yeah,
Please, please.
something I would like to add to that, Prashant. It's beautiful, and yes, we have almost hit a 1 hour mark. और पता भी नहीं चला आपके साथ. Thank you for hosting me like that. It was amazing to be a guest on your show and on your channel. And हमने इसके लिए कुछ prepare भी नहीं किया था. That is a mark
Yeah.
of the chemistry that we created out of thin air and nothing. And that, as a host, I would like to thank you for that. Because we had not prepared, and just before this we were in a meeting and we just jumped right into this, and that is true mark of mastery as well, because this is something that shows कि आपको अगर अपने टॉपिक्स क्लियर नहीं होते ना तो बंदा थोड़ा घबरा जाता है, थोड़ा हकला जाता है, थोड़ा कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ इश्यूज हो जाते हैं या फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क्स आ जाते हैं. आज के हमारे पूरे लाइफ में क्वेश्चन मार्क सिर्फ मेरा इंटरनेट था, तो उसके लिए आई एम सॉरी. एंड सेकेंडली आई थिंक आई वांट टू
अभी बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है आपका, बहुत देर से काफी अच्छा चल रहा है इंटरनेट.
वो होता है ना एकदम पावरफुल जगह पे, इतना मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, स्क्रीन ब्लैक चली गई और मैं बोलते जा रहा था. मैंने कहा था कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड हो जाए ना, चला जाए बस. बट एनीवे, maybe that is for some other life that we do together. But for now, I want to thank Simlish as well for all of the beautiful questions, and Karishma and Mansi and Poonam and all these people who joined in the live, and all the people who will be watching it later. I want to thank each and every one of them from the bottom of my heart for, as Prashant said, you could be doing anything in this time, but you chose to spend your time here. And I hope we made it worth your while. So thank you so much for giving us your precious time. And Prashant, any ending notes, or should we do that? If that's okay with you.
Only like one thing, like all of you who are joining us, make sure to follow Aman Khurana and stay connected with him. He is ये बहुत बड़ी खान है इसके पास. So go there and learn something. Right?
Thank
And continue to learn together, because journey में हम लोग एक दूसरे से सीखते हैं. And that's it. Last time बस यही है. Till next time, stay healthy, take care, and we will connect soon with a new speaker and a new topic. Now over to you.
One more thing. Yes. So before we go, people, ladies and gentlemen, Prashant, you have to do it with me as well. And people who are watching, you can do it. But okay, we lock and load. First thing, this is our gun. Okay, this is our shotgun. We lock and load.
Yeah.
And then we say, take charge.
Boom. Take charge.
Take charge. Let's go. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. These are your action steps. State, story, strategy. Take charge. उस स्टेट में आ जाओ, सारी स्ट्रेटजीज अपने आप आ जाएंगी और स्टोरीज बन जाएंगी, एंड देन प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन से एक्शन पे चले जाओगे. एंड थैंक यू सो मच प्रशांत फॉर हैविंग मी, एंड lots of love. Take care and blessings to all.
Stay healthy. Take care, all of you. Namaste. Thank you. Goodbye and bye-bye.